Hey everyone, it's time to be strong. Today's workout challenge, push-ups. Let's do it. All right guys, here we go. Do the best you can. Remember, if you're tired, you can do modified push-up. Or if a regular push-up is difficult for you, you can change right here. Okay? Let's go, let's go. You got your clock, 3 minutes. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. $25. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Don't stop too long. You can change hand positions. Okay? Let's go out. Okay, that's 5. Let's go in. Now, if you don't want to stop, continue here. You can do half. Okay, we got 1 minute. Shake it out. Don't stop, don't stop. Too long. Change the hands. Ten seconds. Okay, just hold it. Hold it. Two, 1. Way to go, way to go. All right. See you guys on the next workout challenge.